Hi guys! So today I wanted to do a quick review of my all-time favorite workout pants. They're from Bombshell Sportswear. I learned about them on Instagram actually. And these ones that I'm wearing right now I got for Christmas, and I had a pair for a long time, both in size small. And this pair, which I'll try on as well, and I love it. It's so, I mean, they're so comfortable. They fit so well. They're like the best workout pants ever. I love the color. Like it pops and it's very noticeable. They're just gorgeous. So I don't know if you can see from the back better. Now I'm gonna try the other gray ones that I've had for a while. So these ones, they have little shorter belt to the top. But they're also really cute. I love how they look. Every time I wear these, people are like, oh my god, where'd you get them? So I get a lot of compliments on them. And they fit well, they're really soft. I also like the belt, how it's not too tight, but it's tight enough. And I love these stripes. And also, as you can see, they're not see-through. You don't see any lines or anything. So they're amazing. They're really comfortable. So go to their website, purchase them. So I think this wraps it up. This is it for my review. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it was helpful. But yeah, just go to their website, Bombshell Sportswear, and see what they have. I mean, you won't be disappointed. They're they're awesome. Also, comment below. Let me know what other things you want me to review. I have a lot of workout pants, so I think I'll be reviewing more of them. But anyways, subscribe to my channel and hit like, and hope to see you soon.